Hi, hello viewers. In this video, I would like to explain about undo, redo, cut, copy, paste. So these are the very important and very basic options in Microsoft Word. So while creating a document in Microsoft Word, so we will use these options very frequently. That's why it is very important options in Microsoft Word. Okay, and so while watching the video, so don't skip in middle, watch the video till end. Now let us start with undo. Okay, so what is undo? Undo is nothing but it repeats the previous action. It repeats the previous action. Okay, so now let us see. And this undo and redo options are available on quick access toolbar. These two options are available on quick access toolbar. See here. So this is the undo and this is the redo. Okay, this is undo and this is redo. First of all, let us discuss about what is undo. Okay, see here. Here Gurukul English Medium School. I have taken this text. Suppose I don't want this school. I want up to here only Gurukul English Medium. I want to remove this school. What is the procedure? In general, we know select the text which you want to delete. Okay, after that in keyboard just press delete button. Okay, now you observe here the text which I have selected, that is deleted. Okay, after few minutes, okay, I thought that I want that text which I have deleted. I want that text. Okay, again I have to type English medium SCHOL school. It takes time, but okay, it is a word, yes, we can type. But if unfortunately we have deleted a underlines paragraph, for example, okay, we have deleted, but after that again we want the text. Underlines paragraph means if you type again, it takes a lot of time. Okay, at that situations we have to use and we have to go for undo. Okay, here I have deleted the text. If I want the text again means just click on this undo option which is on quick access toolbar. See here, just click undo. Okay, suppose I want to delete the complete text. Select the text and click on delete in the keyboard. Is deleted. But after some time again I want the text means just click on undo. It repeats the previous action. Our previous action is we have typed the text, that is our first action. After that I have deleted, that means the purpose of undo is it repeats the previous action. Okay, right. And one more thing we have to know about undo is, see here Gurukul English Medium School is there. This is a text. So for this text I am giving some formats. Okay, see, observe here, selecting first format is I am giving the color here, red color. After that I am applying bold. Second action, first action is color, second action is bold, third option is italic, and fourth option is underline. How many actions I have applied to this text means 4 actions. First one is color, second one is bold, third one is italic, and fourth one is underline. Okay, right. But after some time what I want here is I don't want all these formats. I want my original text. I want my original text. Okay, for that also we can go for undo. See here, so whenever I click on undo, it comes one action back, one action back. See here, first I have clicked on undo. You observe here. Okay, select the text and click on undo. See what happened. At last I have given underline. Here underline is gone. Again I am clicking on undo. You observe here, italic also gone, two actions gone. Again I am clicking on undo, so bold also gone, only color is there. Okay, if again I have click on undo, color also gone. Okay, that means it repeats the previous actions. So like that, how many actions it go for undo means 100 actions. In Microsoft Word, the undo option goes how many undos? 100 actions it go for undos. Okay, so this is about undo. Okay, right. Next one is redo. See here, the second option is redo. It is also available in quick access toolbar. Simple. Redo is the reverse of undo. Redo is the reverse of undo. So what happened whenever we clicked on undo, it repeats the previous action. Okay, so reverse of that redo. For example, see here, I want to delete this text, means select the text and click on delete keyboard. Text is gone. If I want the text, I am clicking on undo. Again I want to remove the text. Again I want to remove the text means reverse of undo. Just click on redo. Okay. So again select the text and click on delete. No need of all that the things. No need of all that things. Just click on redo. It is the reverse of undo. Undo means coming back to the previous action. Redo means again going back. Okay. See here, if you click on redo, again Control Z. Okay, text came. If you want to remove means again click on undo. Okay, so this is about undo and redo. So now let us discuss about cut, copy, paste. Cut, copy, paste. So first of all, let us see what is cut. Cut means same, removing the unwanted text. Removing the unwanted text, we are using cut. Okay, for removing the unwanted text, we are using cut option. Suppose here I don't want English medium. For cut, we want to remove with cut means first we have to select the text which you want to cut. So English medium is there now. Here I don't want this English medium. Okay, for that I am selected that text and click on cut. See here in home tab, clipboard group is there. In clipboard group you have cut. See here, cut. So this is the cut option. Okay, so we have to click on that. See here. Okay, again we want means go for again undo. Again, okay, we want to means this time redo. Clear na? So that means the purpose of cut is to remove the unwanted content or unwanted text from the paragraph. Okay, if you want to remove completely means select the complete text and click on cut. Okay, so this is about cut. The next one is copy paste. Copy paste. So this is also very important. See here, for example, here Gurukul English Medium School is there. So this complete text I want repeatedly 10 times. Repeatedly, how many times? 10 times I want. So if I type 10 times Gurukul English Medium School, like that Gurukul English Medium School, how much time it takes? It takes much time. Okay, but with this paste option, we can do the task within less time, very less time. See here, to do any text paste, 3 steps we have to follow. First of all, select the text which you want to paste. See here, I want to paste this text. Just select this one. Okay, so after that click on copy. Copy paste is option. Copy means we have to just click on this copy. It is also available in clipboard group, which is in home tab. See here, clipboard group. See this one, we have to click on this one. 3 steps. If you want to paste any text, first select the text. After that click on copy, and after that we have to go for the paste. Just I have selected the text now. Okay, I'm clicking here copy. Where you want to paste, where you want this text. Okay, here you want, place the cursor here and click on this paste option is there now, click on here. Again you want, see here, again you have to click here. Okay, the shortcut key for paste is Ctrl plus V. If you press Ctrl plus by holding the control button in keyboard, press V, automatically it will comes. How many times you want, that many times you can paste. Okay, this is copy paste, copy paste. Okay, so this is about copy paste. And one more paste is there, that is called as cut paste. Copy paste is different, cut paste is different. Cut paste is nothing but, so now only we have seen what is meant by cut. Cut means removing the unwanted matter. For example, here I want to remove the school means I selected, I am clicking on cut. We know this one, cut. And cut paste is nothing but, here you have removed this text and where you want to paste, here you want to paste, just keep the cursor here. If you click on paste, it will be pasted here. This is cut paste. Copy paste means, see here, copy paste is nothing but I'm selecting this text, clicking on copy. After that you want the text here, keep the cursor here and click on paste. Okay, so now observe the changes. The difference between copy paste and cut paste is, we observe this is the copy paste. In copy paste, this content we have copied from here to here, but here you are observing the original text. In copy paste, original text is like that only, that text only we are copying from there to here to here. But whereas in cut paste, see here, we will see the cut paste once again. Whereas in cut paste, just we are selecting this text, okay, clicking on cut wherever we want. Suppose here we want means, here we are clicking on paste. That means in cut paste the original text also removed. So that is the difference between cut paste and copy paste. Cut paste is nothing but, here the original text is removed, but whereas in copy paste the original text is like that only, so that text only we are copying and pasted somewhere. But whereas in cut paste the original text also removing. Okay, so this is about undo, redo, copy, cut and paste. If you have any queries regarding this topic, keep in comment section. Okay, if you like this video, so please subscribe my channel, like it and share it. Thank you so much for watching this video.